Today we're making Trứng ngâm nước mắm, my Vietnamese take on Korean mayak eggs. The best way to enjoy these eggs is with a bowl of steaming jasmine rice. The eggs absorb the seasoning beautifully and they're sweet, salty, and umami. When served with some of the marinade, the added aroma and flavors of the ginger, garlic, and shallot take them to the next level. I especially love the crunch of the shallot and green onion. This idea first came to me last year when I was making Trứng ngâm nước mắm, which is the Vietnamese dipping sauce where you mash a hard-boiled egg in fish sauce. It's commonly served with steamed or boiled vegetables, particularly boiled cabbage. For the marinade, we're replacing soy sauce with fish sauce. With water, sugar, vinegar, and garlic, this is essentially an altered version of our Vietnamese nước mắm chấm dipping sauce, which is commonly served with many dishes like nem rán. Whereas nước mắm chấm usually uses white rice vinegar, I'm using black rice vinegar to add a little color and flavor, but you can definitely still use white rice vinegar. Along with garlic, we're also adding the other two quintessential aromatics for Vietnamese cooking, ginger and shallot. For extra freshness, flavor, and a spicy kick, we're also adding green onions and bird's eye chilies. Let's get started. First, we're going to boil the eggs. Cook the eggs to your personal preference. I recommend jammy soft-boiled, which means boiling water, adding the eggs, and cooking for 7 minutes for cold eggs from the fridge, or 6 minutes for room temperature eggs. To get the yolks centered, stir the eggs in one direction for 30 seconds when you first add them in. While the eggs are cooking, prepare a bowl of ice water. Once the eggs are finished cooking, transfer them to the bowl of ice water immediately. Let cool for easy peeling. While the eggs cool, we'll prep our marinade. First, we'll cut the ginger into very thin matchsticks. You can choose to peel or leave the skin. This is up to your personal preference. Slice the ginger into slices about 1 millimeter thin. Layer a few slices together and cut them into 1 millimeter thick strips. Repeat for the rest of the ginger slices. Next, peel and thinly slice the shallot. Peel and mince the garlic. Cut the green onion greens into roughly 1 centimeter lengths. Slice bird's eye chilies diagonally. Next comes the sauce part of our marinade. For 4 eggs, a 950 milliliter or 1 quart glass container is the perfect size. In this container, add sugar, vinegar, fish sauce, and warm water. Stir until the sugar has fully dissolved. Add in the garlic, ginger, shallot, chili, and green onion. Finally, we'll peel the eggs and add them to the marinade. If your eggs are not fully submerged, you can add a small piece of clean paper towel on top before adding the lid. The paper towel will soak up the liquid, allowing the top of the eggs to also be exposed to the marinade. Now we'll put this in the fridge for 24 hours. It's been a day. Let's try the eggs. Since fish sauce is lighter in color than soy sauce, these eggs won't have as dramatic a color change as soy marinated eggs, but don't worry, the flavors are there. Mmm. So good. The flavors are amazing, and you get the crunch from the shallot and green onion. So good. Make sure you check out our website and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Vietnamese and French recipes.